Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to screen record in Canva. If you've ever wanted to record presentations, tutorials, walkthroughs, or even simple talking videos directly inside Canva, this feature makes the process surprisingly easy. By the end of this video, you'll know how to start a screen recording, enable your microphone and camera, and access your recorded videos inside Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and go into any design project. This can be a presentation, video project, tutorial layout, or really any design where you want to add a screen recording. Once your project is open, look at the left-hand menu and click on Uploads. Inside the Uploads section, you'll see different options for uploading images, videos, and files. Look for the option called Record Yourself. Go ahead and click on it. The first time you use this feature, Canva will ask for permission to access your microphone and camera. Make sure you click Allow so Canva can properly record your screen, voice, and webcam if needed. Once permissions are enabled, Canva opens the recording interface. Here you'll usually have several recording options available. You can choose to record only your screen, record your webcam, or record both your screen and camera together. This is especially useful for educational videos, business presentations, online classes, or YouTube tutorials where viewers want to see both your screen and your face. Next, choose what part of your screen you want to record. Canva typically gives you options like a specific browser tab, a single window, or your entire screen. If you're creating a tutorial, recording a single window can help keep things cleaner and avoid distractions. But if you need to switch between programs during the recording, selecting the entire screen is usually the better option. Before starting, double-check that your microphone is working properly. Good audio quality makes a huge difference in tutorial videos. Even a simple recording sounds much more professional when viewers can clearly hear your voice. Once everything is ready, click the Start Recording button. Canva will usually give you a short countdown before recording begins. Now you can go through your presentation, explain your topic, or demonstrate whatever you want to teach. A helpful tip is to speak slowly and clearly while recording. You don't need to rush, and small pauses actually make tutorials easier to follow. When you finish recording, click Stop Recording. Canva will automatically process the video and upload it into your project. After processing, you'll find the recording inside the Uploads section under the Videos tab. From there, you can drag the recording directly into your Canva design, resize it, trim it, or continue editing your project. Another great thing about Canva is that you can combine screen recordings with animations, text, music, and transitions all in one place without needing separate editing software. This makes Canva really useful for beginner content creators, teachers, students, and business presentations. So to quickly recap, to screen record in Canva, open your project, go to Uploads, click Record Yourself, allow camera and microphone permissions, choose what you want to record, and start your recording. Once finished, Canva automatically saves the recording in your Uploads section where you can edit it and use it in your design. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.